Hello friends, welcome to my channel Deepak in Paris, and today's video we are going to show you how we will put plastic floor here. You can see this is a hall, so I will explain how we will put plastic floor in a very easy method, so that you can also apply these things in your house and you can also do by yourself. In this video my friend Sunny will help me, and we are going to tell you how you can prepare the floor, and after that how you have to put the plastic floor. So keep watching. Now Sunny will tell you the material.
Hello friends, how are you? Say broom, say scraper, say big L, say meter, say ruler, say glue, say plastic floor.
So this is the plastic floor. You can see glue, roller, small brush, L, cutter, broom and scraper. So now we will tell you where we will put. So this is the hall. You can see we had cleaned the hall, and then we will apply the glue. You can see everything is okay. You have to clean with the broom so that there are nothing on the floor. There is nothing on the floor. There are no stones. There is nothing. So that when you will put the floor, when you will put the plastic, then the result is very nice. Now friends, you can see we are scrubbing the floor with the scraper, so that if we have anything, it will come out. So we will do this in the whole room, so that when we will put the floor, there is nothing on the floor. Now friends, you see, after scraping the floor, now we are cleaning it with the broom. This is very important. You don't have to leave any dust particle or anything on the floor, because we want a result which is very smooth. Now we will apply the coal, the glue, as we already told you. So Sunny will take the glue, and now you can see on the small sides you have to use the brush, and the remaining you can do with the big roller. Friends, you have to be very careful. You don't have to leave even a single place without glue, because this is very important. Whole flooring, whole plastic flooring depends upon the glue, so be careful. So you can see we had done the edges with the small brush, and now we are applying with the big roller. Now friends, it's very important to understand that how we will put the floor, because friends, if you want a professional design, if you want a symmetrical lines, then you have to be very careful when you are measuring the plastic. So I will explain you. This is the first one, the first piece which I had put on the floor. It is a complete piece. After that I had taken the second piece, you see, and I had taken it half of the other piece. So suppose the first piece is 120, the second piece I will make it 60. This one I will cut. So again I will put the whole piece 120, and after that I will cut the other piece 60. So now you can see when I will start putting the floor, the first piece 120, the second piece 60, the third piece 120, the fourth piece 60. So you will have a symmetry. When we will put the floor, you will understand this is professional. So if you will put the floor like anywhere you will put the piece, in the end it is not so beautiful. So if you have a symmetrical lines, then it's very beautiful, and someone will see, he or she will think that it's a professional work. We will tell you how to do the cutting also with a very easy method. So keep watching. We will tell you, we will explain you everything. Now friends, you can see we had started putting our floor. The same principle you have to follow. 120, 60, and now you will see how we will do the cutting. This one is professional. We can imagine that for a person who is not always working like this, it's difficult for him, but if you will take a straight cutter and if you will do slowly, it's not that difficult. So you can see, and there is a special thing which is of the same color, known as silicone. If you haven't done a very good cutting, you can also fill it with silicone. After, you can buy silicone of the same color. Now you can see, when we had put the glue all over the surface, now it's already dry. So now you have to just put the pieces like this. So Sunny, difficult or easy?
Easy.
So it's not that difficult. Sunny, people can do at their home, no? Easy job, no?
No, it's easy.
So this one, when you are going to make a straight cut, you see the other piece is on the first piece. Now you can cut, and then you have to remove the other piece, and now you will see it will go straight, and you can see it's all clear. You can see the finishing. One more time we will tell you how to cut the piece. You see, first you have to put like this, always from the middle, and then you can see again you have to put one piece over the same piece, and then the third one you have to touch with the edge. Make sure that your edge is straight. Even here, if it's not straight, it's okay, because then when you will cut it, you can see it's already cut. This is very easy. You have to just follow the rules. And now you see, that's why I told you, if it's not straight, you see the edge was not straight also. Now the finishing is perfect. So friends, you can see we had done almost half of the hall, and the golden rule is always same. And I will try to show you the lines. See, all the lines are same. It's not zigzag. So you can see it takes almost 4 hours to finish this hall, and I can believe that everyone can do by himself or herself at his or her home. So in the end, we will show you the final pictures of the whole hall, and the whole hall we will clean it, and then we will show you the result. Friends, you can see the flooring is finished. You can see the edges, as I told you how to cut the pieces. You see, and you can see the lines are in a straight way. So our room is finished. For me, anyone can do in his home. So this video is for you, so that you will not pay to the people who are doing this job so much money. If you have some brain, or if you are hard worker, you can easily do this by yourself at your home. So friends, if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.